So here we are, just south of Turtle Beach. This is actually part of Turtle Beach. Walked out onto the beach, had a hard time getting here because the sand was about 5 feet deep over the road. Had to use some off-road skills. Yeah, these places are not in good shape. That water blew right through them. Not sure what that is floating out there. It's interesting looking. Oh, it's a palm tree. Okay, that's the top of the palm tree. Wow. Did some serious damage, man. It almost looks like it went up to the roof. How far did it go? These poor people. Look at that. I don't want to get any closer because this is private property. Ooh, look at all the sand in there. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Everything's pushed up against the front walls. Oh, here's an interesting one. Hey honey, I brought a palm tree home. Yep. Wow. This is going to take some serious work to get this place back in shape. All full of sand. There's another palm tree through a window. Crazy. All that sand in there. Wow. Oh man. I wonder how far down here I can even walk. I was hoping to walk down to where Midnight Pass opened up, but I'm not sure if I can. Busted that window. Busted those windows right out. Even shredded the drywall on the inside. Man, oh man. So this place has a parking lot underneath. I don't see any cars, so that's good. There's a boat upended on the left over there. Lots of sand in there. Alright, I'm going to shut this off.